Also, guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the temporary downtime NairaTrader is currently facing. Now, if you go to their website, this is the very first thing you are going to see where they say our site is under technical review and we'll be back shortly. Now, before you start saying, are they scammers or have they scammed out or something like that? Well, one thing I always tell you guys in trading is that don't put your eggs in one basket. These guys are actually legit. They have been paying out. I have received payment from them twice, and also some members of my community that have also received payouts also. So what actually happened after I did my research to know what's actually happening was that I found out that the hosting platform which they use in hosting their websites actually blocked them or kind of paused access to their websites, and they're under a kind of review. Now, according to what they are posting or trying to let people know is that this is actually a handiwork of your competitor. Now, whether this is true or not is not really the issue here. The issue here is that as a trader, make sure you have multiple platforms where you are using as your prop firm. All right, because these things we do online, it has a lot of dependence on a lot of factors. Sometimes it might be the platform you are using. They have where they are hosting their websites, and if there are some issues, things can go wrong, like this, so that you don't have to wait for a particular platform to get back online before you start making money. And each time you make money from these prop firms, make sure you fund your own personal account so that because that is the only account you have more control over compared to prop firm account. So now, let me not just say a lot, guys. Let me just break down some of the posts they made and reason why they are currently offline. So over here, you can see that yesterday, being August 29, they made a post on their official X account over here saying our website was suspended by Hostinger after someone reported us, most likely a competitor. Because of this, our database is currently inaccessible, blah, 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 blah. So Hostinger is the platform, is a web hosting platform where you host your website. So they kind of block them. And over here is a screenshot of I think the CEO or the technical team, their conversation with the support team of Hostinger. So as you can see over here, they are creating tickets and said that they will get back to NairaTrader in the next 24 to 72 hours. So that's roughly 4 days, I think. So by Monday, we'll know what's up with the platform. But actually, I've not really seen any issue. There have not been any reports of denial in terms of payouts or stuff like that. This is just, you know, this is just what it is, right? The hosting service pausing their pausing their access to their website. So that's basically what is happening right now. What I can say here is that we just have to be patient. All right, if you are using this particular trading platform or this platform, you just have to be patient. And like I said, always have your own personal account. There are other platforms that I use that some instant funding challenges in my own personal account because anything can go wrong. Now remember, if you have been in the platform space for like a year plus now, you remember that back then last year there was a time when the US government were attacking Profem and stuff like that, and MT5 decided to stop their services, to a lot of Profem. A lot of them had issues then. In fact, that was like the Profem revolution then, and a lot of people, were unable, like especially US citizens, were unable to trade on some of these platforms. So though recently they've been coming back little by little, but that is just it. Anything can happen in the trading space, especially when it has to do with profit, because there are a whole lot of partners, third parties that are involved in this thing. So you must have your own personal trading account because that is the only one that you have. Not you don't even have 100% control over it, but at least that is the one you have more control over. So right now, I don't really think there's any need to panic here. You just have to let's just be patient and see what's gonna come up by Monday or Tuesday. So the actual reason, guys, that you are getting this particular message is because hosting, which is the hosting platform that NairaTrader use, they are currently making the website data inaccessible for some reports and stuff like that. So once they are done with their review, definitely they should, all right, they should be back online. All right, so stay tuned, guys, and make sure you subscribe and follow our YouTube channel, guys. Thank you, guys, for 3,100 subscribers, and also check our link below for our WhatsApp channel where we post trade updates and market updates and stuff like that. All right, take care, guys, and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.